Here are 7 quick steps to become a Scrum Master. 8. Gain knowledge of Agile principles. Scrum Masters are advocates of Agile methodology, and understanding the principles and values of Agile is essential for becoming a successful Scrum Master. Learn Scrum Framework. The Scrum Framework consists of various roles, artifacts, and ceremonies such as sprints, retrospectives, and daily stand-ups. 10. Attend Scrum Master training course. Take formal training on Scrum Master certification and get certified as a Scrum Master. 4. Working closely with Agile teams and stakeholders will provide you with a deeper understanding of the principles of Agile methodology. 5. Developing facilitation skills involves learning how to encourage collaboration, manage conflicts, communicate effectively, and encourage continuous feedback. Continuously improve. Successful Scrum Masters continuously improve their skills and knowledge. 7. Apply for Scrum Master role. Once you have acquired the necessary skills, knowledge, and experience, you can now apply for Scrum Master roles in organizations and put your skills into practice.